So check us out here at mgmclassiccars.com, where we have over 200 beautiful cars for sale, financing available. We got them all stacked and ready, guys, all detailed. They will be going through service department as well to make sure that everything is up front. So check that out on all of our videos. Don't forget to check out our website at mgmclassiccars.com. We do have awesome, great financing available. That rates start at 6.99% as of today, November 18th, 2025. And let's get ready for the next photo shoot, guys, and the video. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. We have a packed house, guys, of beautiful classics, muscle cars, and more here at mgmclassiccars.com. You can check us out there on the website. Today I have this 1971 Dodge Challenger, guys, a beautiful restoration. We just got this car in. And Challengers are doing very well these days in the retail market. Beautiful car, great body lines. This is a beautiful car. It has a detailed engine compartment. And I'm going to definitely pop the hood and check that out for you guys. Isn't that nice? Look how everything is painted. They did a really, really nice job. So this is a Mopar 383 rebuilt V8, guys. Upgraded aluminum intake, 4-barrel tuned carburetor. Hoses have been replaced. New booster, new master cylinder, chrome Mopar valve covers, upgraded ignition system. It's backed up by an automatic transmission. Beautiful red paint on the exterior with the RT style double accent stripes, guys, down the side of both sides. White vinyl top on the vehicle, no bubbling underneath, guys. Nothing like that on any of my cars. White bucket seats on the interior. Let me show you that. Factory seat belts intact, guys. Factory center console and shifter as well. This one has the upgraded classic air conditioning, as you guys can see there. Wood grain, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful wood grain rim steering wheel. Power steering, power brakes, Ralley 5-spoke wheels. They are brand new with the BFG Radial T tires on all four corners, guys. Chrome bumpers are great. Weatherstripping is nice on the cars. The trim is good. Suspension feels great on the car, driving it. Metal appears to be all original and all straight on the car. Factory pinch welds on the doors. Super clean under there. New door sill plates. Chrysler solid state AM radial is in the car, which we'll talk a little bit more about some options. Runs, drives, and stops great, guys. This Challenger is from the West Coast. It is nice and solid underneath as well, okay? So definitely that's something to keep in mind. Let me pop open. Well, the door's already popped open. Let me show you guys a little bit more on the interior part. Nice buckets. Back seat, package tray, headliner, dome light. Inner and outer jambs are in very good condition, as shown. All the weather stripping as well. Dash pad is excellent on the car. All your gauges. There's all your controllers there. You got your EFI sniper system, guys, right here. Okay, that's your plug right there to charge your phone. Yep. Sun visors are nice. All your belts intact. Glass is good. Door panels are good. Passenger seat. Nice clean center console with the factory T shifter. Let's fire this thing up. Turning on the wipers and they're not working, so I'll make sure that does work. So a couple other things I would like to address and talk about. The VIN number here, a lot of people ask me what this is, what it stands for, besides just a VIN number for decoding. The letter J stands for Dodge Challenger. The letter H stands for high output. The number 23 stands for two-door hardtop. The letter L stands for 383 four-barrel engine. The number 1 is 1971, is what it stands for. The letter B tells us that the vehicle was built in Hamtramck in Michigan, and the last 6 numbers is the last 6 production numbers. So in 1971, pretty much the last year of the muscle car era, they built a little bit over 27,000 Dodge Challengers. Some of the options that you guys can get here at MGM Classic Cars for this vehicle are the front and rear LED kit. It runs about $1,000. Well, let me mention, you can roll in all of these options into your loan if you wanted to. So really, the only thing you got to come up with is $6,000 down and good credit, which we'll talk about that. So you can do that front and rear LED kit, which is pretty cool. I just did it on a purple Dodge Challenger, and my customer loves it. We also can do a Pile 7-inch touchscreen stereo system in the car, which is an HD 1080. It's integrated with Google Maps, GPS, navigation, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth wireless streaming capability. And we can also slap on 4 speakers with that. That's a total of $2,000 installed. Cutoff exhaust systems, we are doing that now. That's $2,000. And if you wanted ceramic coating, it's about $995. Usually it's $1395, but we got a special at $995. So all of these things can be rolled into your loan. Speaking about loans, if your credit score is like 630 to 770, obviously you will need good credit, $6,000 down, good job, so forth and so on, paychecks and W-2s and 1099s and all that good stuff, okay? Now, all of that you can roll into your loan. You can roll in your sales tax if you wanted to, so you're not out of pocket, and your delivery fee and stuff like that. We can roll all that into your loan. We're one of the few dealerships that can do that. And again, you can find the application at mgmclassiccars.com in the upper right-hand corner. Click the Finance tab. Rates start in the 8% range, okay? Now, if your score is 775 and higher, you need to call or text me, and I'll send you my banker's website directly to them. Those rates start at about 6.99% with a no money down option, and both banks are no prepayment penalties, okay? Listen, guys, I would love to go for a test drive, but it is cold here in November 26th, 2025. And the roads are not dry. So no test drive to show you guys, and I do apologize, but we are in the Midwest. I did drive this car before we purchased it, and everything pans out great, runs, drives, and stops like it should, guys. Tons of power, 383, automatic, ready to go, guys. Give us a call or text me at 847-848-1850. Don't forget to text me your zip code. I'll get you a transportation quote right to your driveway. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. My name is Thomas.